Yes, so my people, this na your girl sit talk and answer social life news for inside PG News Network. Now they bring this so they come from so. I can't hear our bros wey be say name be Jude Okoye, wey be the senior bros of P Square, Peter and Paul. They don't come out to talk about it and say he do for inside former record label matter with Cynthia Morgan. Cynthia don't come out to talk say as things be now, say she don't lose everything, say she don't even lose her name, she don't lose her Vivo account, her Instagram account, and all this small money wey be say she's supposed to get, wey be say supposed to enter her hand on top the contract matter. As things can't be now, the Instagram chat wey be say they can't get with Tunde Edmond. The music oga they don't talk say they don't get right to take Cynthia Morgan name because that one na original right wey be say she come with be that. He can't still talk say as things be, he say Cynthia Morgan say she full ground prekete and she even dey free since 2017. She even change her name to Madrina when she sit there for their record label. But just can't talk say he no take her account he say the only account wey be say he take he say na the Vivo account and that one be say he take and so that he go fit get 40 million naira be say he spend for her body. He can't still talk say when things dey pure between them, he say he pay for Cynthia house rent, he buy her motor with Range Rover, he even sef can't even give her money to buy land for her mouth for Benin. He can't still talk say no understand what be say Cynthia can't talk all this kind of party about am say what he be saying do, say all dey for inside contract, he say no dey inside contract say if you dey inside paper, say make she go bring am come. Say even court no go even allow the kind to be say she will dey talk say he do sef. Say and he no even use court paper to even drive am. Just can't still talk say Cynthia say she won't begin do things for herself. Say she won't begin show say she sabi do things. Say now say she don't begin dey fail, she can't begin dey put the blame on her head. Say make she no put blame for her head Say 2 years ago after Cynthia come up for the record label, say her social media account see the roll. Say even sef she see dey go different show wey be say she no even let them know. But as things come war now, she won't come put blame for their head. Say make she no put blame for their head Just can't still talk say people sef say make she no put blame for their head. Say as things be so, he say they never ever tell Cynthia say make she come out for their record label. He say now when she won't come out, now she come out and they never even stop her. They never even let her even say okay make she no come out. But as things come be now, he say before the contract label finish sef, say she don't find her way. Even sef, he can't talk say they get 13 videos wey be say they even shoot and each of them na 3 million naira and he won't recover him money back. Say the money be say he spend, he won't get am back. That is why he take a Vivo account. He say because if you no do that, you no go fit get the money back. This na your girl sit talk and that's social life news inside PG News Network. How they bring to you the conference so.